federal government announced what it calls a national action plan on auto theft today. It includes a number of new laws aimed at disturbing the operations of thieves in the midst of the ongoing auto theft crisis. Al Sweeney reports.
On a day when most people were enjoying a national holiday, the federal finance minister led a news conference to say the recent jump in auto theft is unacceptable.
We're here on Victoria Day because we take this issue extremely seriously. We know the challenge is real and urgent.
In the wake of the government's National Auto Theft Summit in February, the Insurance Bureau of Canada said just last week the auto theft crisis is not slowing down, and auto theft claims are now well over $1 billion a year. But the government says it's bringing in a 3-point plan, including information sharing between police forces and customs officials with a National Intergovernmental Working Group on auto theft, allowing more shipping containers to be searched to keep stolen vehicles from being sent overseas, and tougher penalties for auto theft.
We're adding new offenses targeting auto theft and its links to violence and to organized crime. There are new offenses for the possession and distribution of a device used for committing auto theft, such as key programming machines. We're also proposing a new offense that targets the ringleaders of most auto thefts.
Changes will also be aimed at stiffer sentences for people who involve underage teenagers in auto thefts.
What I think is really critical is thinking about who is directing those youngsters, who's directing that teenager.
The mayor of Brampton, affected by the auto theft crisis, says
the game is changing. The organized crime is now going to be put on the returning end of making sure that our police have the tools.
But as the government brought MPs and cabinet ministers together on a holiday, the Conservative opposition in Parliament called it another one of their photo ops to talk about the out-of-control auto theft crisis they've caused. And 10 cars were stolen in the span of today's photo op. Al Sweeney, CHCH News.